Ever found yourself in a bustling Southeast Asian market, eyes wide with wonder, only to realize you're fumbling with local currency while everyone else is just tapping? Or perhaps you've been on a vacation and seeing that familiar green and white logo everywhere, leaving you wondering, is GrabPay everywhere in this region? It's a common question, and one that highlights the incredible success of a platform that has transformed digital payments and ride-hailing across a significant part of the world. We're talking, of course, about Grab and its increasingly ubiquitous digital wallet, GrabPay. While Grab started primarily as a ride-hailing service, it quickly evolved into a super app, integrating food delivery, parcel delivery, financial services, and, crucially, a robust mobile payment system. So, to answer that burning question, which country uses GrabPay? Well, it's not just one, but a collection of dynamic, fast-growing economies that have embraced the convenience and efficiency GrabPay offers. Let's break it down. Grab's roots are in Malaysia, where it was founded in 2012. Naturally, GrabPay is a dominant force in the Malaysian digital payment landscape, widely accepted from street food vendors to major retail chains. Then there's Singapore. As a global financial hub and an early adopter of digital innovation, Singapore has seen GrabPay become a cornerstone of its cashless society. Whether you're paying for your hawker center meal or a new gadget, GrabPay is a go-to option for millions. Moving north, Thailand has also significantly adopted GrabPay. The vibrant tourism industry and a growing digital-savvy population have contributed to GrabPay's widespread acceptance across various merchants and services. Next, we have Indonesia, a massive archipelago with an equally massive digital economy. While local players also hold significant market share, GrabPay, often operating as OVO within the Grab ecosystem, is a powerful force in Indonesia's digital payment arena. In the Philippines, GrabPay has become an indispensable tool for daily transactions. From rides and food deliveries to utility payments and online shopping, Filipinos rely heavily on GrabPay for its convenience and integrated services. And let's not forget Vietnam. With its rapidly expanding digital economy and a young, tech-forward population, GrabPay is gaining significant traction, simplifying transactions for both locals and tourists alike. Finally, there's Myanmar, another country where Grab has established a presence, and with it, the increasing adoption of GrabPay for various services. So, while you might initially think of Grab as just a ride-hailing app, its GrabPay wallet has become a true digital financial ecosystem spanning across Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines, Vietnam, and Myanmar. It's a testament to the power of a unified platform that addresses multiple daily needs, all accessible through the tap of a screen. From getting around to grabbing a bite and paying for it all, GrabPay has woven itself into the fabric of daily life for millions across Southeast Asia. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.